Best trucks of 2026. These are the machines that will define power, performance, and innovation for the year ahead. Ford Super Duty F350, built for extreme towing, up to 37,000 pounds, for those who demand strength on every job. Ram 3500 HD, up to 37,090 pounds of towing muscle. Rugged, reliable, and made for relentless performance. Ram 1500 Rebel, off-road focused. Adjustable air suspension gives ultimate clearance and control for wild terrain. Toyota Tundra TRD Pro, legendary off-road reliability and trail-ready performance built for any adventure. Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country, luxurious interior, advanced digital display, and refined finishes for modern drivers. GMC Sierra Denali, advanced technology and superior comfort inside a high-end, feature-packed cabin. Explore the best trucks of 2026. Which one matches your needs and your style?